Dropping infinite values from data frames in Pandas. How do I drop nan, inf, and inf values from a data frame without resetting mode? Use_inf_as_null. Can I tell dropner to include infinite's definition of missing values so that the following works?
First replace infs with nan. And then drop nans via dropner. For example, the same method also works for series.
The above solution will modify the INFs that are not in the target columns. To remedy that,
here is another method using .loc to replace inf with nan on a series. So, in response to the original question,
deprecated. With option context, this is possible without permanently setting use_inf_as_na. For example, of course it can be set to treat inf as nan permanently with. For older versions, replace use_inf_as_na with use_inf_as_null.